Daniel Omar Hassan was born in Sudan 18 years ago. His father is Sudanese while his mother is Kenyan. He was born a normal and healthy child. But in the year 2011, his life took a twist after he was attacked by a bomb as he looked after his father's animals in one of Sudan's volatile areas.
I was not born like this. I was born a complete person. Yeah. So because of the war that is going on Sudan, so the plane bombs in the village. So I was in the field looking after cows. So the plane came and there was no place for me to hide. It was just a plane. So the plane came and dropped two bombs. Yeah, it cut my hands.
While in Sudan, he never had a chance to pursue education except attending some informal Arabic classes. After the 2011 bomb attack that left him without arms, he was flown to Kenya where well-wishers saw the need to take him to school. But his guardian Adam Sokumo says finding a school for him was the biggest headache.
I went to a number of schools, actually more than 20 schools, trying to get him a place. But the fact that he had that physical disability, most of these schools turned me down. Immediately they noticed the kind of student that I was bringing.
Even though he was lucky to enroll at Star Sheikh Academy in Athi River, Machakos County, life was not easy for him. He did not have arms, yet he needed to ride, and he was the only pupil living with disability at the school. But his eagerness to learn pushed him to try new tricks in the hope of trying to live and lead a normal life irrespective of his condition. And so he had to learn writing using his mouth.
Sometimes when the teacher just comes to class, maybe write on the boards, so everyone speaks a pen and writes, and I just look at everyone writing and I am just there. So I don't feel happy at all. So I tried writing using my mouth so that I can write like the rest.
Given that he had never been to any remedial class, the next challenge for Omar and his guardian after landing a chance at Star Sheikh Academy was to decide and agree the class in which to place him. And even as a solution for that was being sought, there was another bigger challenge: language barrier. He only knew and spoke Arabic. Yet, despite all the hurdles, he remained focused, and come KCPE 2019, he scored an impressive 311 marks. The best candidate at the school had 419 marks.
I joined Starship 2017, so the life was not like that before. Yes, it was not like there in Sudan. It was a bit better, and I could struggle writing in class. Sometimes I don't even finish notes. Yeah. Yes, and then I came to class 7, things started changing. Yeah. So I joined class 8 this year. I did my KCP, and KCP was I was I was not it was not that hard. It was not hard for me because I've been learning. Yeah. So I scored 311.
The fruits of his labor can not only be seen through his performance, but through his neat writing that he does using his mouth, a skill he learned by himself without any assistance from anyone. He is physically disabled. He sat in the same class with normal pupils without any disability, sat the same examination as the other normal candidates did. Yet, when the results came out, Daniel Omar was top of many of his classmates. Other candidates countrywide have been seen celebrating and being praised for posting impressive results. Many of the best candidates have come from private and prestigious schools. But his highlight is not only writing with his mouth. Daniel Omar Hassan has other abilities and other talents.
I started swimming when I had hands. I started swimming in River Nile. So swimming is my hobby too. So after I got incident, I still swim. I'm still swimming me. Yeah, I can swim. I can sing. The other thing is, even I can mop the house. Yes, I can mop the house using my legs.
Shadrach Miti, KTN News.